Hi guys, welcome back to Beautifully Planned by Louise. Today's spread is this April Showers kit. It is actually available on Etsy and I will leave the link in the description for you guys. So first off, I actually forgot to turn this into a PNG version, so we are using a PDF version, which is still possible when you have a printable sticker kit. So this is basically how you would use it digitally. You just basically have to crop a little bit more. So this is me just putting down my days of the week. I do speed up the video, I don't show every single crop of each sticker because it does take a little bit longer. So I'm just going in with my days of the week here. I'm actually really super proud of this kit because it's actually sold quite well on Etsy. I think I've only got about 3 or 4 left. So quite buzzing about that actually. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I've had to use my little mic. There's dogs barking next door and it's just absolutely pandemonium with them at the moment, so I'm using my little mics. Hopefully I sound a little better to you guys. Now I'm just putting down my little love heart lists. I decided to do these at the beginning now, well especially in this kit, just because I wanted to get anything that needed to be done in the morning checked off first. So that was the kind of idea behind this kind of layout. So we're just sticking with the same kind of colour theme that is with the days of the week here, and we are just putting down all our lists first. Then I'm just going ahead and I'm putting down my full boxes. Now, if you guys have watched me before, you'll know that I'm a very visual planner, so I like to put down all my full boxes either at the top, middle or the bottom. They just go everywhere with me because I love this decor. The clip art for this kit is just absolutely phenomenal. It's such a sort of everyday rainy day that you would get. So yeah, absolutely love this clip art. So yeah, I like to put a lot of clip art and a lot of decor and stuff round about my weekly plan with me. But here I actually remembered that I had some washi tape, and I don't know why, but I never seem to use this as much. So I just wanted to put this one here, and then I just put the other side at the other side. And I actually really like it. It takes up more kind of space and it's more kind of decorative, so yeah. Now I'm just working on my little sidebar here, and I'm just going in with some water for water tracking, some pay bill signs, walking, because I'm still on the treadmill, still trying to, get that waist snatched for the holiday, and just a couple other little bits and bobs, and that is my sidebar done. Now we're just going in with the dates because I always forget these, but because this is a PDF, I've just basically cropped it into a little square and just put the dates just above the days of the week there. But I quite like how this looks, to be fair. Now I'm just adding the little weekend sign because I always somehow forget about this, but we do have a little weekend sign in every weekly kit. Now I'm just adding some of these little chore signs. Again guys, there is over 250 stickers in this kit, so you can use it however you please. This is just personally how I've done it, just to show you a little example. Now this little thing I was experimenting with was foiled kind of frames. Now I just went to Canva and I just basically typed in some elements that are glitter and stuff, and I thought I'd add them to the boxes that don't really have much in them. Now obviously you can fill this up however, so this was just a little bit of an experiment to see basically how it would look in this spread, but I actually really like it, and I'm definitely tempted to add this kind of feature in my kits if it is something that is going to be kind of valued, if people want that. So yeah, this was just a little idea that I just kind of stuck with as I started putting down some glitter and sparkles and stuff. And that is this weekly spread. I hope you guys love it. Sorry guys, I'm not up to date, but here is the April shower kit.